So a couple more things about reflections. We finished up through 6 yesterday. And number 7 says you have your triangle. Go ahead and graph it, and then do a glide reflection. And recall, a glide reflection means you slide it first, and then you reflect it over a line. Okay, in this case, they're telling you to slide it or translate your points. How many units right? How many units up or down? First, are we going to the right or left?
Left.
We're going to the left. You sure? Okay, going to the left. How many units?
6.
6, and we're going up or down?
Down.
Down 1 unit. Okay? So, we're going to plot that, and slide it. Go for it. Okay, we have our shape. Once you have it, make sure you slide it. Going 6 units. Notice the scale. Otherwise, it makes it a little tougher on you. So it's going to bring me over here to -3. J prime. So there's our slide, and then we want to reflect it across the line y equals -x. So that is this diagonal right here. This point moves up there. The point that's on the line stays, and this point moves across there. So our final shape, that guy right there. So that's L prime prime and J prime prime. And we have K prime prime. Yes, Maddie?
Did you move down one when you were translating it the first time?
Did I move down one? I don't think I moved down one, did I? All right. Well, good. Good thing you caught that. I just went over 6. Good job, Maddie. All right. So technically, mine is wrong there. Let me put the correct one up. Aha. It's a good catch, Maddie. So you'll notice on this one that I've done, where I moved it and then I moved down. Please note that this shape, I just used dots when I slid it. You don't have to redraw the shape every time, especially on a small grid like this. They kind of don't give you much room. Okay, so don't make the mistake I made. Slide and then go down. So sometimes it's helpful to just check off what you've done. Check that off, and then I've done that, especially when you're doing these compositions. Okay. All right. I think you got it? Okay. I will be around to help you out. I want you to try the next one there. Give number 8 a shot. Okay. All right, go ahead and compare with your neighbor. You guys all match up? You guys are good? You sure? Yeah. Literally. Okay, how am I doing so far?
It's y minus 4.
Okay, how am I doing so far? Okay, tell your neighbor what I've done wrong. Okay, someone from the back of the room, what have I done wrong? Ian. Wasn't I supposed to go over 4? Come on, man, stick with your guns here. I was supposed to go over. I was supposed to go down 4, correct. Hey, you guys, be confident in yourself, right? Be sure of what you're saying. You guys are right. I'm supposed to go down 4, but you're supposed. I need you to make sure that you guys did a good job, or Maddie got that last one where I had messed up. Make sure that you're able to do error analysis, analyze a problem, figure out what's wrong with it. Okay, so that's the correct slide now. I've done that. I don't move anywhere on X. All right, we good? Okay, so here's the final product, right? Yes? No? What's wrong with that? Jeremiah? Very good. I've reflected over y equals -1. Okay? And it should be, excuse me, x equals -1, thank you. And it should be x equals 1. Okay? So making sure, I know you guys compare a lot of work with neighbors and you check your work and you have parents check your work, you do different things like that, but you have to know what's wrong. Yeah. No, x equals -1 only crosses the x-axis. So it's this line. You find +1, excuse me. X equals +1. You find that on the x-axis, and it's that line. Yeah.
So for the translation, would you call that the points J prime, K prime, and L prime?
Yeah.
Or would you just skip the naming and name the reflection?
Yeah, you technically don't have to name the translation. You could just name the end result. Okay? But it is kind of helpful. I mean, like I've already forgotten. What point was this? Well, this was J. And that makes this J prime. And that makes this one, which reflected over here, J double prime. Okay? L is here. So that's L prime prime and K prime prime. Okay. Hey, very good job. All right, so this is the correct. I know I've shown you a lot of mistakes today, but and some of them, most of them were well planned out, but I want you to be able to find that. Okay, any questions? Drew. Let me come over and help you out. Okay. Hey, I want you right now identify the line of symmetry in the word. Draw it in, and then try number 13 with your group.
Like actually on line W.
Let's go back to that here in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, number 9. Any lines of symmetry?
No.
None? None. There are none. How about number 10? Cut the O in half. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay. Number 11. Don't say anything about cutting things in half. That's good. Good.
Unless you're a magician.
And Doc? Oops, that was a poorly drawn line. Unbelievable.
That was even worse.
That's better. All right. Number 13, you're placing a power strip along a wall that connects two computers. Where should you place power strip to minimize the length of the cable? So this is your wall. You want to place a power strip somewhere on here so that you use as little cable as possible. How do you do it?
I did it by, so if you do it at W, like actually at the letter W, you just make a line that goes through both the computers. Like, no,
So like this?
at the tip of the arrow.
Okay. So you're going and hitting all three?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what? Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to say no, but it's a good thought. Yeah? Anywhere? Okay. Let me tell you the easiest way to find this is to take this computer and reflect it over here. Now, I know that's a big computer. It's not like nowadays where they're just so small, but if we reflected computer B, we'll just put a B on it to right there. Okay, that is computer B. I know that's not exact representation of B, but that be B. Okay, and then we take A and we reflect A over to here. Got it, A? You're confused? Okay. All right. Maddie, what's your question?
Well, why is that helpful?
Oh, I haven't got there yet. But do you understand reflecting them? Okay. So from there, what I want you to do is we're going to connect computer A to computer B prime. B, I guess that's B prime. This is A prime. Then we're going to connect computer B to computer A prime. And notice where those two things intersect, that is the point on the wall. That will be your shortest distance where they hit the wall. They should intersect the wall at the same spot. It's true.